Holy crap! Look at this Combat Sentry prototype. What are you, big boy? Damn. Alrighty, everybody. Welcome back. This is Metal Elmer here, and how are you all doing? What are you barking at, dog? And yeah, I got a companion now. Yeah. Actually, I mean, you could probably use Cogsworth too. I haven't tried him out yet. Oh, there's my doggy. We will name you Hobbs. Yeah, I think that's a good name for him, Hobbs. Oh, Hobbsy. Can you do any tricks?
Hey.
You can stay. I'll talk to you.
How you doing, buddy?
Do a trick. Come on,
Hey,
Hobbs.
boy. You know any tricks?
You're standing on a toolbox. Good job. I'm just gonna make some food really quick. Grilling up some rad stag. I'll make that. Some mole rat chunks. Doesn't that sound delicious? And some mutt chops. Yeah, I can make one more. Oh yeah, some murloc. Those guys are annoying, the crabs. Getting some experience for that stuff. A double barrel shotgun. Yeah. Look at this two-headed thing. Holy crap. Yeah, I kind of took one of those out. Good meat from them, though. Oh, I thought I saw something. Nope. It's just a number on there. Nice car. Red Rocket gas station. Somehow that seems like a South Park joke. That seems like a South Park joke. Ah, what is this? Let's go down into the hole and find out what's down below. Oh, it's a mole rat den. Come here, Mr. Mole Rats. Ooh, that's some brain fungus. Yummy. Nope, I want to crouch. Do I have a chance of shooting it? Nope. That missed. Oh! I guess this is a double barrel, so it's gonna come on back up. Oh, that was right in my face. Come on, punch it! In the face. There's no radioactiveness down here. Glowing fungus. I wonder if I can use it to make something glow later. Oh yeah, I can turn my light on too, can I? Yeah, there's so much of it. Brain fungus everywhere. Mr. Benson, on behalf of the Boston Regional Office, I would like to congratulate you on your team on winning the 2076 Trash Busters Award for the greatest year-to-year waste reduction by a single store. Respect for the environment is an integral part of our corporate image, and we appreciate your innovative efforts in this regard. Sincerely, Phil, Vice President, Boston Regions. Ooh, what was that? I picked up maybe some sort of pistol. I got a lot of radiation there. I should probably use something for that. Die, you little bastard. Oh, is it a single shot? It is a single shot. Oh, he blew up into blood. I think I'm gonna switch back. Move, dog. Let's see if I can unlock this. Oh, so close. Got it. I still have it from the last Fallout. That's awesome. I love lockpicking stuff. Ooh, what is that? A Raider piece. A pipe rifle? That looks sick. The dog found something? What did you find? I'm following you. What did you find? Oh, you just opened that door yourself, didn't you? Was there something up here? Bobby pins, some ashtrays, welding goggles, red band. Is that what you found, boy? That stuff? Oh, you found it. Nah, I want to be able to pick it. Okay, I'll remember that that's there. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good Hobbs. No. I don't want to fight. Guys, die. Gotcha. I gotta run inside now. I'm here to help. I'm here to help. Holy crap. Do I get to drive that? That's an awesome looking... all the body parts. A hollow disc, I think. Alright. Press A to enter. I am getting in this butt, big boy. I activate it. Oh wait, did I just take it? Nope. I'm getting in. That's sick, the way you get to see yourself get into it. Dang. Oh, and it's first person. Do I get the... oh, I get a minigun. Gasoline. Might as well just take all this stuff. I'm a hoarder in this game. Sorry everybody, but it's true. I can't sit while I'm in an active suit. Alright. Boom! That hurt my arm and legs. That's not good. Oh crap, look at that big boy. It's a death claw, look at it. That's crazy looking. I'm gonna just tear you up, son of a bitch. Oh, look at him dodge. No! Come for me. Look at you. Woo! Come on, T-Rex. Oh, he got me. Fuck. And he's dead. He disintegrated. Oh, I'm gonna take all that. You had an alarm clock on you? Why the hell did you have an alarm clock on you? Like, nothing can take me down in this son of a bitch. Look at me. Man, I'm just like, raw. Like a tank. Unlock. I'm good.
That's it.
Aw, you alright, buddy? I don't think so. The hell was that? Yeah, like a party thing going on there. Move, doggy. Come on, Hobbs. Oh crap! Mole rat. Is this gonna be overkill? Blah! Yeah, that was definitely overkill. Jeez, good job. I know your name's Dogmeat, but I'm still gonna call you Hobbs. Is there radiation in this water? How many bullets do I have in this minigun? Oh, there's a Murloc. Die, you little bastard. Damn, that minigun just tore you to pieces. That's sick. Man, I'm just hoarding up here. That's crazy. Nice. What does that one do? Collect this issue permanently. Unlocks a new unique facial tattoo. Sweet. I'll take a facial tattoo. I didn't know there was tattoos in this game this time. That's sick. Potato chips. I got me some potato chips. Is there anything else in here? Nope. Go back up to the Commonwealth. Where'd you go? Over there. I'm following. Let's go. What'd you find? Show me. Show me what you found. Come on, Hobbs. Find me something good. Inside here. I'm like too big to get to the door sometimes. Oh, you found a first aid. Very, very nice. Cogsworth! Alright, well, I'm gonna put some of my stuff away that I found in this episode, or over the time. Oh, what the hell? Who are you? Are you actually here to help and build my city up? Heck yeah. I got some people here working on the city now. That's awesome. Thank you. Let's start rebuilding this town. Let's make it nice again. I got a couple people here. You're here, huh?
At least it's not
Nice.
raining. I'm glad you decided to
You know,
come with us.
I
should have listened to Mama Murphy.
you came
all
with
along.
me. This is
Pretty
my
nice place
town.
she's found for us. I think we could settle down here. Make it a place to call home.
Yeah, I think we can settle here.
I used to like living here. Before the war.
What do you mean? Before what war? Are you saying...
I lived here over 200 years ago. I was frozen or something for most of it. Just woke up a little while ago.
Damn. Like one of those old pre-war ghouls. You say you were frozen. Anybody else make it out with you?
My son. Somebody took him away while I was still trapped. I've been looking for him.
Damn. I'm sorry. I hope you find him. Let me know if there's any way I can help. Anyway, I am glad you're here.
I'm badass in that armor. Look at that.
Here at all?
That is a lot
Talk
of
to
experience. And I leveled up for it? What?
Sturgis.
Damn, look at that experience bar going. Boom, boom, boom. Achievement! Born Survivor. Well, I think on that note, I'm going to end the video right here. Another achievement? Damn. When freedom calls. I'll take them. I like it. But again, if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Give the like button a love tap. And again, this is Metal Elmer, and more Fallout to come. And I'll see you all later.
Oh, that's wonderful. But there's more to your destiny, isn't there? I've seen it, and I know your pain.